Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Cash App payment failed for security reasons. First, open the Cash App and go to your profile to check your account details. Tap on Verify your identity. If you see couldn't verify, try again. Don't worry, just move to the next step. Tap Support Center, then scroll down and select Contact Us. Choose Chat, and here you can type out your issue. You can say something like, "Hi, I'm unable to send payments. Can you please help verify my account?" Click Send and wait for 24 hours for a response from Cash App support. And that's it. That's how to fix Cash App payment failed for security reasons. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.